What book are we reading? What book is this? Show me.
Carpenter.
Okay, what's it say?
The leaf, the moon, the egg will read. Ten. Pop a moon.
Is that a moon?
No, that's a sun. Sun. Pop a egg. I'm so hungry. I thought we got food. There, one apple. One. I'm so hungry. Choose pears. 1, 2. Friday, paper. 1 plums.
How many plums?
1, 2, 3.
Was he still hungry?
Carpenter 8. 1 strawberries.
How many strawberries? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, he ate 4 strawberries.
I'm so hungry. On Friday, he had 1 orange.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm so hungry. Look, I get cake. 1 ice cream. 1 pickle. 1 cheese. 1 yummy. Pickle and then 2 pie and sauces and a cake. What's that?
Watermelon.
Okay.
How did he feel now? Was he still hungry?
Yes.
No, he wasn't.
No, wasn't.
He had a tummy ache now. That's it. That's right. There's not another one, baby.
Friday, and 1, 2, 3. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, you skipped a page. Let's go back. 1 page. Yeah, right there.
Are you hungry? No.
What happened to him?
It's big carpenter.
Mm-hmm.
A cocoon. On the page. Fellow firefly. Amen.
Good job.
Okay, one more time.